Innovative washing technology based on LG Inverter DD motor that realizes the real hand washing 6 motions for the best washing performance in washing machine. In the water supplying stage, the scrub motion makes water stream, which dissolves the powder detergent better and faster. During this motion, detergent could immediately penetrate into fabric to strengthen the washing performance. Meanwhile, the residue can be easily omitted. Swing motion provide more gentle care on sensitive fabrics such as wool and silk. Exactly like what you will do to these fabric by hand washing, swing motion can also prevent the fabric from disfigured. Without worrying about disturbing others, rolling motion maintains clothes rolling at the bottom of the drum, which ensures the quiet laundry environment, while helps melted detergent easily penetrate into fabric. Pulling up the clothes to the highest point of drum and stepping it down. This motion can make stain easily get rid of the fabric. Meanwhile, wrinkles can be released during falling. Basic washing motion in the conventional washing machine.